Alright, this is how to install the REM T3B onto your black ring sight. We're going to do a little operation. We're going to have to drill a little hole in the rubber coating on the bottom. And these are the tools. You'll need a 3mm drill bit, because that's the size of your LED. So what we're going to do is we want to measure, try and find roughly the center of your rubber here. So this is a little bit more than 8/10 of an inch wide, so you're going to drop that down to a little bit more, like 4.25. Mark a little spot there, and you're going to mark it. You want to be drilling right at the curve. You don't want to go too high. You can always expand the hole later, but you want to drill right about there, right at the curve, and then you'll find the tritium bar. So let's go ahead and start our drilling. And you want to go kind of slow. And you'll eventually just slightly push it until you get it started. Now I want to double check, make sure I am kind of in the middle there. Slightly off, alright. Let's try that. And again, it's okay if you're slightly off. You can always expand the hole. You're going to be putting it right in place. Alright, I'm going to move over to the left a little bit. Alright. More drilling. Again, go slow, and you'll eventually feel it hit the tritium bar. It's pretty hard, so if you hit it, it's not going to do any damage to it. I'm just barely pushing, and I'm going real slow. Okay, now I think I hit it. Alright, let's see what I got. I heard that kind of go, yep, there it is. So you really can't see it right now because it's still covered with a whole bunch of the rubber. That's what you need, your X-Acto knife. And I'm going to start cutting away the edges. And again, the tritium is very hard. Once I cut away the edges, and I'm going to pull it out with the tweezers. It's a slow process. The whole process of drilling and gluing, it's going to take about a half an hour. It's better to go slow than to rush it and do any damage to your baby here. Alright, let's see what I got. This is this painstaking problem here. There's always one piece that just doesn't want to come out. It's okay if you get a little bit of the tritium on it. See, I don't know if you can see that. There was a little white piece from the plastic. Yeah. But now you're probably seeing, it's hard to see, but you're going to start seeing the white. That is the tritium. Now your T3B LED is going to be fitted right on that, and it's going to glow and illuminate the tritium. And then you'll be able to see your crosshairs in any light condition.